Ever hear your stomach growl and wonder why? That rumble, called borborygmi, happens when your digestive system gets chatty. When you're hungry, your stomach and intestines contract to move gas and leftover food. These movements create vibrations, like a tiny drum solo in your belly. Eating signals your brain to start digestion, but an empty stomach amplifies the sound. Stress or certain foods can make it louder too. Next time your stomach growls, it's just saying, "Feed me." Drop it in the comments.